Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to bend a part. So as example, I will create rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to bend this part, you need to convert into sheet metal. You can click here, sheet metal tools, and then click convert, select up the space, and it will be automatically converted. Now to bend this part, you can click the bend tools with this bend. You can click, and then you can set for the bend location. Like I will click in here for the location, and it will be bend with angle 90 degree. You can change here, like I will set into 45 degree. After it, you can click these icons to apply bending. So we will cut again at this point, and you can bend into 90 degree. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to bend a part. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.